Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Change for One Night. I hope you will be fine. This time we talk about Utopia, Braid Hearts, Friendly, Rivalry, Mellow Movie and more. 12 existing K-drama released in February 2025. Friendly, Rivalry, Utopia, Braid Hearts, Mellow Movie and many more exciting K-dramas and other series are set to release this February. Here is a look by Pioli Bakshi. Jesus Utopia Park, Yongshik's Buried Hearts, Hades, Brandy, Rivali, and many more interesting series will be premiering in February of this year. K-drama fans will be up for a thrilling ride as 12 new K-dramas are dropping soon. Here's where and when to watch them. Genre sitcom, office comedy cast Ji Jin Hee, Lee Kyo Hyung, Baek Ji Won, Lee Min Jae, director Ko Sung Joon, writer Jung So Hyun, Nam Yeon Kyung, Hae Young. Number of episode 12, date of release 5th February 2025, Netflix based South Korea XL OTT, VIU XL India, Kokwa South Korea XL OTT. A washed up actor and a former successful PD decide to team up to bring their glorious days back. They come to understand that they are in the same boat and that they must rely on each other for support of to overcome their struggles and find hope. The Scandal of Jonah. Genre Sejuek Romance Cast Kuara Chongryol Chae Director Lee Ki-wong Jung Writer Seo Yeon Jung Number of episode 10 Date of release 6 February 2025 Network TV South Korea XL OTT Set in the fictional country of Dong Bangkok, the youngest princess defies tradition by seeking a husband on her own terms. Venturing out of the place, she meets potential suitors while also searching for the artist behind a scandalous series of erotic paintings featuring her. Utopia genre zombie romance cast Jisoo Park, Jeongmin, Am Song Jae, director Yeon Sung Hyun, writer Jiho Jin, Hon Ji Won, number of episode 8, date of release 7 February 2025, Network Prime Video. Set against the backdrop of a zombie attack, two lovebirds who met and fell for each other on campus strive hard to meet each other in the apocalyptic situation. They must fight the heinous creatures to survive for each other's sake. Friendly rivalry, genre teen drama, mystery thriller, cast Hairi, director Kim Tae-hee, writer Min Ye-ji, Kim Tae-hee, number of episodes 16, date of release 10 February 2025, Network U Plus Mobile TV, South Korea XL OTT, intense academic fighting among high school students lead to dangerous outcomes when the position of the number one student of the class feels threatened by the appearance of a transferred student, but Forrest is unimaginable. Farid Hurt's genre, political thriller revenge drama, cast Park Hyung-sik, Ho Jong-ho, Hong Hwa-yeon, director Jin Chong-kyo, writer Lee Myung-hee, number of episodes 16, date of release TBA. Networks SBS South Korea XL OTT. Men of power in fields like business and politics fight together to a slush fund. Some trying to acquire it while some others trying to protect it. High octane and intense action follows as the people with different goals come face to face. Mellow movie genre romantic comedy cast Choi Wo Shek, Park Bo Young, Lee Jong Young, Jeon Soni, director On Chong Hwon, writer Lee Na Yeon, Number of episode 10. Date of release 14 February 2025. Network Netflix. An aspiring director and a film critic meet and fall in love. They find solace in each other in the face of adversity, leading to a heartwarming tale of unexpected bonding. The Witch, genre mystery romance drama. Cast Park Jin Young, Ro Jeong Yeol, Jung Hee Ryung, director Kim Tae Yeon. Writer Cho Yo Jin, number of episode 10, date of release 15 February 2025, network Wiki. It follows the story of a misfortunate woman who gets tagged as a witch of fairy. After every guy she falls for faces untimely demands. A former classmate takes it on himself to clear her name of the legends. The White Lotus S3. Genre black comedy drama star cast Jennifer Connelly, Leo Woodall, Theo Jones, Sydney Sweeney, director Mike White, writer Mike White, number of episode 8, date of release 16 February 2025, network HBO. The story is set in a luxurious hotel in Thailand and revolves around the complex lives of its guests and staff, including a trio of lifelong friends and a wealthy businessman as they navigate their various conflicts. My Dearest Nemesis, generic comedy romance cast Moon Ga-young, Choi Hyun-wook, I Am Simi, Kevok Si-young, director Lee So-hyun, writer Kim So-yeon, number of episode 12, date of release 17 February 2025, network TV South Korea XL OTT. It revolves around two online gamers, of whom confesses to the other but gets rejected by her. 16 years later, they are reunited as boss and subordinate, sparking a potential rekindling of romance. Undercover High School genre action, thriller, comedy, romance cast Seo Kong Jon, Shin Ki Jo, Kim Shin Rock, director Choi Jung In, writer Am Young Bin. Number of episode 12, date of release 21st February 2025, network Wave South Korea XL OTT VIU XL India, a National Intelligence Services NIS field agent goes undercover as a student at Byongmon High School to investigate the theft of Emperor Gojong's gold. However, as he witnesses injustices within the school, he takes it upon himself to help the students. Weak Hero Class 1 Season 2. Genre coming of age action drama thriller. Cast Park Ji Hyun, Ryeon, Choi Min Young, Lee Jun Young, director Yoo So Min, writer Seo Bae Seo, number of episode 8, date of release TBA Network Netflix. Set in a high school, the story revolves around a former model student who transfers to Yeonjong High School, haunted by his failure to protect his friends from bullying, determined to prevent similar tragedies. He forms new friendships only to confront even greater trauma. Here's a look back at the trailer of the gripping Weak Hero Class 1. Exchange and other breaking. Genre reality show dating cast Lee Young Jin, Kim Ye Won Jora, director Lee Seong Won, writer. Number of episode 8, date of release TBA network, TV South Korea XL OTT. The cast from season 1 to 3 of the hit reality series Exchange are reuniting for a fresh adventure. The spin for of explores new relationships, surprise connections, and sizzling chemistry as former participants embark on exciting journeys together. Be part of our journey, subscribe and support us, and also share our channel, show your appreciations, like and share with friends. Get your daily dose of entertainment. Subscribe today for new videos every day. Thanks for watching for more. Have a nice time. Goodbye.